Hello guys and welcome back to Flourish Academy. In this video we're going to be looking at the solution to our coding drill this week. Now the question goes thus. It says write a Scratch program that accepts a day name from the user in a variable, then show the name of the following day. Now we're going to be using our sprites. We're going to be using our simple sprites to analyze this problem. Now let's get right into it. Alright, so now the first thing you're going to do is to start with your event. You're going to go to the events section, and then you say when flag is clicked. You drag out when flag is clicked, and then now this is the time for you to now create your variable. In this case, we're going to create a variable for current day. We want to be able to track down the next day based on the user's input, right? So we create a variable, go to variable, and then create a variable. And then you call it what? Current day. And then you click on your OK. Now we have created a variable to accept in data, and then we're going to create a question. Go to sensing and create a question for that, saying ask, and then we're going to ask what? Enter current day. Enter current day. All right. So now when the user enters the current day, and then you're going to set the current day to the answer. So to answer. So what this simply means is that when the user inputs a value, it's going to be stored inside the variable. All right. So now we're going to use our conditions. Go to control and use our if else condition to check for the day. All right. So the first one we're going to do is for Monday. So we're going to check using the or condition. Now the reason why we're using or is that in case the user starts with a lowercase, this will cater for it, and also in case the user starts with the uppercase, this will also cater for it. So the first option will be for the lowercase. So we're going to say if current day is equals to Monday that starts with the lowercase m, and then you're going to go again by saying if, you can duplicate that, put that right inside and say if current day is equals to Monday that starts with the capital letter M. All right, so now this one is catered for Monday. So if the value is Monday, so what we want to do is go to looks and say the following day is Tuesday. Exactly. So we can say that for 4 seconds or 5 seconds, and then we repeat this step until we're done. So you just duplicate and then put it inside the else, but this time around you're going to change the date. You're going to change the date to Tuesday, small letter Tuesday, and then this one also capital letter Tuesday. Tuesday. Oh, sorry about that. Tuesday. And then this time around it will be, if it is Tuesday, then the following day will be Wednesday, right? So we're going to do that again. Now what that means is if you type in another day that is not corresponding to this, what should we do? So we just want to say, okay, we want to give you a clue. I said, hey, please check in what, hey, kindly check your input and try again. Thank you. And this should be all. So this is the code for solving that problem. So now the aim of this code is actually to help you use conditional statements, to help you use if-else statements in Scratch, and that's what we've been able to do. Now let's check it out on our display area. So this time I'm going to pick a sprite. I'm going to make this bigger, And then let's check it out, please. So when I click on flag, it says enter the current day. So if I type in Monday and then press enter, it says now the following day is Tuesday. That's correct, because the current day is Monday and then the following day is Tuesday. Now let's check it again. Enter a current day. So if I type in Sunday and press enter, it says what? The following day is Monday. Exactly. So it's as simple as that. You can decide to hide your variables so you don't see that, and then make it a bit more professional. So now let's run it again. So click on flag, enter the current day. I could decide to say Saturday, and I press enter, and then say what? The following day is Sunday. So this is the solution. I hope this is easy for you to understand. I'll see you in the next video whereby we're going to use Python to solve the same problem. Stay blessed and keep flourishing. Bye.